Geoff, you were at a Liberal Party function last night and met with Minister Sukkar. You spoke about a number of automotive issues. What were they?
Thanks, David. The Motor Trades Association and the state bodies as well were there last night. Minister Sukkar was on our table. This minister does have responsibility for a number of automotive projects, and the three things that we've asked him to pursue in this order: access to repair information, a better code to protect new car dealerships, and the release and the removal of luxury car tax that does generate $600 million for the government every year, but it's a lazy tax that's now being duplicated by luxury stamp duty taxes in the States. Those three things, David, are known by this government. We've made it very clear that we've waited through the last period of their office to get some of these things done, and some of them are half done. We want them finished. We want them finished very soon.